Good morning, travelers. Meet Malos, a modern modular sofa that's versatile, stylish, and comfortable. The latest innovation from Apollo World Class Furniture. Designed with flexible configuration to suit any space, perfect for living rooms, entertainment areas, and modern apartments. Built with a premium combination of spring, foam, and fabric for a supportive comfort. Modular designs allow arrangements possibilities. Kung unsa may gusto nimong porma sa imong sofa, pwede kay nimo mabuhat ani. And finish in a dark upholstery with clean lines for a sleek, modern aesthetic. Yes, Instagrammable gikaayo ni na sofa bed. I think bisan asa ni ibutang sa inyong balay, perfect kay ni siya. Lami kay ni siya picturan, especially in person. So whether you're relaxing, having a guest over, or taking a nap, Malos easily fits your lifestyle. So sa mga interesado ma-meet si Malos in person, bisita lang mo sa ilang main branch sa Bulwa National Highway or sa ilang mall branch sa Lemket Kai Center. Transform your space, redefine your comfort, find your perfect piece at Apollo World Class Furniture. Hangtod sa sunod, kita kits travelers.